in here and they make a new video. Not for kids, huh? Yeah, Diablo's rated M for mature. All right, so we're gonna start the video here. 3, 2, 1. Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. Name's David A. Quad, and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a live stream recording. We got Marco, we got Steve, we got Daniel Garcia here watching me as I'm recording this live. Okay, I'm gonna take this video and re-upload it onto YouTube separately. Are you going to do a 2019 full game collection? Nah, it's too late. I'm going to make a 2020 game collection, man. We're going to start with these. Diablo. You guys know the Diablo series, right? It's a real-time strategy, first-person shooter, RPG racing game, fighting, with well, not exactly those, but hack and slash. You can level up your characters. You know, top-down, dungeon crawler type of game. Okay. Hey, Dave, I'm seeing Rise of Skywalker in a couple minutes. Awesome. Let me know what you think. And briefly, and without spoilers, you know, I'll probably see it soon too. So Diablo, there's only 3 main games right now. They are making another one, okay? No spoilers. Yes, spoilers. Well, not in this live stream. Okay, we're going to talk about the Diablo games. I'm going to unbox this one. You couldn't believe how much money I spent on this. $5.99. I think that's a good deal for this, man. The Diablo Battle Chest. And it has the first Diablo game too, which I already have here. Okay. So here, the original Diablo game. What's this? Compete free on over the internet. Windows 95. Can you believe that? 1995. Windows 95 and NT. What are the specs for this? Like, what do you need? You need Windows 95, 8 megabytes of RAM. Megabytes, not gigabytes. 8 megabytes of RAM is all you need to play this. CD must be in the drive. 60 megahertz. Oh, geez. Minimum 16 megabytes of RAM for the Macintosh. Jeez Louise, guys. This is way back when. Look at these graphics. That being said, it's timeless, man. Timeless. There's a disc. You should get Call of Duty Black Ops 4. But I'm not at 70,000 subscribers. I told you guys. When I reach 70,000 subscribers, I'll buy Black Ops 4. That's the first thing, okay? I'll be waiting in my computer, in front of my computer, right? It says 69,999. I'm going to keep pressing the refresh button until it reaches 70,000 subscribers. I jump in my car, go and pick it up. By then, it'll probably be like $5. And the servers are down. But at least you see me with it. You see it in my collection. There's a book here. This game's from Blizzard. Other Blizzard games you can get. That's right, everyone. I got them. World of Warcraft series. Maybe I'll make a collection of this someday. I'm missing one. Okay, we got some advertisements here. Coming in 1998. Warcraft Adventures. What's in here? How to get started on the PC versus the Mac. They have different instructions for you. David, you watched a show called Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. I never really watched it. I know what it is. I've seen commercials for it. And remember, back when I was after I graduated from high school, but before college, I worked at the Disney store in the mall. And I worked there until they closed. They're back now. The Disney store exists again. But at that time, it was owned by the children's place people. Are you hyped for Overwatch 2? I did see a couple videos. They had that. It was like a movie, man. They might as well make an Overwatch movie. But it looks good. Also from Blizzard, by the way. My dad is getting out of work early so he can pick me up and we can go see it together. Oh, you're talking about Star Wars, yeah. We're doing an opening night fan event that's sold out, by the way. Cool. There is a fan event here, too. I know about it because they posted the event page on Facebook, but I can't go. I'll be at work. And my job has a Christmas party going on, too. I'm bringing pie. A pecan pie is what they want. Hey, Dave, today I have no school. Cool. I love your channel when you do the horror DVDs. Yeah, I guess October I'll do it again. And then we got Diablo 2. I bought the strategy guide here for only $2. Okay? And then I got this, which has a strategy guide in it. It says so right here on the back of the box. There's a strategy guide in it. I wonder if it's the same book or it's like a different book with different different cover and all that. Ashley Cash is here. I just saw Star Wars 9. It was so good. You should see it as soon as possible. Yeah, I will. How many DVDs you bought from the Disney store? I bought a few. Okay. We're going to hold off the unboxing of this battle chest. Skip straight to Diablo 3. There's really not much there. By the way, this one includes the original Diablo 3. You can see the box art right there. Okay. This is the Ultimate Evil Edition Reaper of Souls. They released another one after this, by the way. There's a more updated version than this one. I forgot the name of it. But yeah, I played this game with my friend, and we played it for as long as we could, and we didn't finish it. I moved. Dude's got school. One of my friends moved. You know, we couldn't finish the game. I could finish this game by myself, I guess. But we played a pretty good, I don't know how many hours we put into this game, but we got pretty far, okay? I don't know if my save game is still on my PS4. Child's Play 2 remake. Oh, jeez. But here's what's inside. Not much going on here. There's a disc art. Got some Battle.net is a cross-platform service. Okay. Josh is here. He says, hey. Enemy Avocado is leaving, so thanks for stopping by. Now we're going to open up the battle chest, man. The battle chest! Here. Okay, you guys see me, right? Face reveal. What do you think? Ugh. What's good, David, says Chris Abbott. Okay, so we're talking about the Diablo video games, right? I just got this for only $5.99. The battle chest. We're gonna open it right now. Let's see if $5.99, if everything's in here and all that. Found out at Goodwill. Wait, is this the same book? Okay, inside I see the strategy guide. It's the same book! I wasted money! I wasted $2 buying this! I didn't have to! If I knew that 2 years later I'll buy this battle chest and they already have this book, I wouldn't have bought this in the first place. Okay. It's not in color, by the way. It's all black and white. But it's got tons of information, all the different acts, got a listing of all the different enemies you'll encounter in the game, different types of weapons. Your whole arsenal is listed out there with how much damage it does and stuff like that. Got a few, like a list of all the things you can pick up throughout the game. Yeah, this is awesome. Your different abilities, different characters, level ups, locations of all the items in the game. Man, I got it twice. Sell it for $2. Okay, so what we have here. StarCraft expansion set, Blood Brood War. What's this? I thought I bought the Diablo. Where does StarCraft come from? It's not even back here. I think this is like an extra. Someone forgot to take this with them. StarCraft CD code. Okay. That's what I need also. What's this? The heck is going on here? World of Warcraft, 14-day trial, 14-day free. What the heck's going on here? I'm so confused. I'm getting double of everything. What the crap? Okay, this is the one I just bought. No, not just bought. Like, I already have, right? This is the one I just bought. All I just need is a jewel case to put it into. And then I got 2 versions of Diablo also, the first game. Look, it's got the CD key and everything. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Diablo 2. I guess this is the regular book you get. Has a list of all the items and how to start your game and the controls. Okay. Introduction to the characters. Quick reference guide. Yeah. Okay, so that's what's inside it. More stuff in here. We got Diablo 2. It's on 3 disc. 3 CDs. So which one is this? Play disc. Okay, so this is what you need to use to play. Cinematics disc. Every time there's a cutscene or whatever, you gotta have this one. Okay? And then the install disc. Jeez Louise. So they put all this on the computer. So I know CDs hold like 700 megabytes of materials. Right here, probably good like 2 gigs right here. Okay. And then we got here Diablo expansion set. Diablo 2 expansion, Lord of Destruction. And here's the disc for that. This can all fit on like all this can fit on like one disc for a one Blu-ray disc, you know? Where's David? Where's David? Did the live stream crap out? Is it gone? Do you see just blackness right now? It's happened before. So okay, we got this. And what's this? Product catalog from Blizzard Entertainment. Gotta have a powerful PC, David. For this stuff? Nah. Wait, what is the requirements for this game? It's on the box. I got my grandpa glasses on. Okay. Windows XP 95 or NT 4.0. Got a 4X CD-ROM drive. 1.5 gigabytes available. What about RAM and stuff like that? 64 megabytes of RAM. Look at my wrinkles. I'm getting old, man. Getting old. Going bald. Okay, so that we got the product catalog. What's in here? World of Warcraft. World of Warcraft. World of Warcraft. World of Warcraft. And World of Warcraft comic books, novels. There's a card game. World of Warcraft action figures. World of Warcraft everything. Okay, so let's put this back in the box. So the StarCraft thing, I think this is a bonus. I think it's not supposed to be in here. But whoever owned this before me forgot to take it out before they sold it. Or gave it away. Okay, so I'm going to put this back in here. Close it up. There you go! There you go, people. We got the Diablo collection. Thumbnail right there. Okay. So thank you for watching, everyone. Be sure to comment, subscribe. Talk guys later.